In this community, incentives often work a little differently than buyers expect, and it's important to understand that before you commit. Builder incentives are typically applied early in the transaction. In many cases, they're structured toward the interest rate adjustments or lender-specific costs tied to the builder's preferred financing. Because of that, buyers are often utilizing the maximum incentives allowed under their loan program. What that means in practice is this. There usually isn't room to layer additional credits later without creating confusion or value that can't actually be applied. That isn't a negative. It often means incentives are already being used strategically. The key is making sure they're applied in the correct order and align with your financing structure from the beginning. My role here isn't to promise outcomes that may not apply in this neighborhood. It's to help buyers understand how incentives are structured, specifically in this community, and what's realistic under current guidelines. When expectations are set clearly at the start, buyers can move forward confidently and avoid surprises later in the process.